Right now, over 38 million Americans are fighting a silent battle every single day. High blood sugar. And if you're over 50, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That afternoon crash, the constant thirst, waking up 3 times a night to use the bathroom. The fear every time you prick your finger. But what if I told you there's a snack sitting in your kitchen right now, costs about $1, that can lower your blood sugar faster than most medications? Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you is backed by science, and it's already changed lives. The answer is avocados. Now before you click away thinking, I already know about avocados, let me show you something most doctors don't tell you about how and when to eat them for maximum blood sugar control. While most people over 50 are reaching for crackers, pretzels, or those so-called diabetic-friendly snack bars loaded with hidden sugars, there's a reason avocados work differently, and it all comes down to what's happening inside your blood vessels right now. Here's what's happening in your body after 50. Your cells become resistant to insulin. Think of insulin as a key that unlocks your cells to let sugar in for energy. But when you have insulin resistance, which affects nearly 50% of people over 60, those keys stop working properly. So sugar stays in your bloodstream. That's when you get the symptoms. Blurry vision, tingling in your feet, that overwhelming fatigue after meals, wounds that won't heal. Sound familiar? A 2019 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate half an avocado with their meals reduced their post-meal blood sugar spike by 26% compared to those who didn't. But here's the key. It's not just about eating avocados, it's about the timing and combination. Avocados contain 10 grams of fiber per fruit. That's 40% of your daily needs. But it's a special type of fiber called soluble fiber that forms a gel in your digestive tract. This gel literally slows down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. It's like putting a speed bump between your meal and your blood sugar spike. Plus, avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same healthy fats in olive oil, which improve your insulin sensitivity over time. Look at this difference. When you eat 15 crackers as a snack, your blood sugar shoots up like a rocket, from 110 to 180 in 30 minutes. But when you eat half an avocado with a handful of almonds, you get this gentle curve. Your blood sugar rises slowly to maybe 130, then comes back down naturally. Now, if you're finding this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button right now. It tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it, and drop a comment below telling me, what's your biggest struggle with blood sugar control? I read every single comment. Let me tell you about Robert. He's 68, a retired project manager from Ohio. Last year, his A1C was 8.2. That's pre-diabetic territory heading toward full diabetes. His doctor wanted to put him on metformin, but Robert wanted to try food first. His fasting blood sugar was consistently 180 to 200. He'd wake up exhausted, need a nap by 2 p.m., and his feet were starting to tingle, early signs of neuropathy. His wife was worried. He was worried. So here's what Robert did. Every single day for 30 days, he ate half an avocado at 3 p.m., right when his blood sugar would normally crash and he'd reach for cookies or chips. He'd mash it up, add a little salt and pepper, eat it with 10 raw almonds. Week 1, his afternoon readings dropped from 180 to 165. Week 2, down to 152. By week 4, he was consistently hitting 138, a 42-point drop. But here's what really changed his life. He told me, I can walk to my mailbox without getting winded. I'm sleeping through the night. My feet stopped tingling. I feel like I got my life back. 3 months later, his A1C dropped to 6.8. His doctor was stunned. Now Robert still takes his blood pressure medication. This isn't about replacing your doctor's advice. But he avoided diabetes medication entirely just by adding this one simple snack. Here's exactly how to use avocados for blood sugar control. Step 1. Eat half an avocado between 2 to 4 p.m. This is when most people over 50 experience their biggest blood sugar crash and cravings. Step 2. Combine it with 10 to 15 raw almonds or walnuts. The protein and additional healthy fats amplify the blood sugar stabilizing effect. Step 3. Add a squeeze of lemon juice. The citric acid further slows sugar absorption. Step 4. Track your blood sugar 1 hour after eating. You should see your spike reduced by 20-30 points compared to your usual snack. Here's a pro tip. Buy avocados at different ripeness stages. Store 2 to 3 in the fridge and 2 to 3 on the counter. A ripe avocado should yield slightly to pressure, but not be mushy. Beyond blood sugar, Here's what else avocados do for people over 50. Reduce inflammation in your arteries, lower LDL cholesterol by up to 22%, improve nutrient absorption from other foods, support healthy blood pressure, protect against age-related vision loss. Look, I'm not saying avocados are a magic cure. You still need to watch your overall carb intake, stay active, and work with your doctor. But if you're looking for one simple, affordable snack that gives you the biggest blood sugar benefit, this is it. If you want more strategies like this, real food solutions that actually work for people over 50, hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week on managing diabetes, heart health, and staying independent as you age. And check out these two videos, one on the bedtime snack that keeps your blood sugar stable overnight, and another on the 3-minute morning routine improves circulation naturally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.